Hello, this video is to show you how in different ways you can actually put in a geometry in your IGEMS. There are three different ways. The first way is the easiest way, and you will get by clicking on the file menu, go to import drawing, and you will get this import drawing window opening up here. And if you have a look at this kind of extensions, what has all been accepted by this software, you will see that these are all accepted by the software, and mainly the DXF and DWG files are the most common files that you probably will use. The other way of getting something imported in your IGEMS as a geometry is using by the parametric parts. It's this window of this little icon. Click on it, and you will see here there's a whole library full of shapes, and you can just start selecting a basic shape that is here in the basic shape library. For example, a flange. Double click on it, and here you will see then all an A, for example, here is representing the ID of this flange, the ID of this flange. The B in this sample is the OD of the flange, and the C is physically the pitch between the two circles, and the D is then the diameter of the circle, and E is the amount of circles. So you can change that very quickly and easily to 8 holes, for example. Then press the single, and here we have now, according to the instructions I gave, a flange that I can just put anywhere on my sketchboard, and by just clicking the left mouse click it will put itself in place. That is the way that you can actually use by using a part library. Very handy for very simple shapes. If I click on that, and we also have here under the 3D folder, if you double click on that, we have some 3D shapes that especially when you're doing a lot of fabrication on sheet material, very thin gauge sheet material, like this kind of vent ductwork or something like that. You can put all these parameters in here in this list, and by using the single button you will see that you will put a layout of that profile that you just made on the sheet. So you can physically cut this part on a sheet, and you have to use these bend lines as a good radius that you have to bend it around this radius, but physically that will create a flap, a layout of that ductwork that you ordered. So that is physically the part library. Then the third method is, of course, by using your own little CAD side here, which is very like circles, lines, arcs, rectangles. It's very close to what AutoCAD has to offer. I mean, basically AutoCAD is a very in-depth CAD program, whereas these IGEMS is just as a side note, giving you this as an option. But it's very durable, that you can use quick and effectively for just making your part. If you physically want to draw something with a bill of materials and the whole draft kind of like a block around your drawing, then I would say AutoCAD is meant to be there for that reason. But for just making a little line or any kind of circle, you can use this AutoCAD, basically IGEMS CAD features as well. If you're familiar with AutoCAD, this will actually show a lot of familiarity with the icons. The icons are almost pretty much the same as AutoCAD. So if you know AutoCAD, this will be a great help to just use that as feature wherever is needed. That will end this video of how to actually get your geometry in IGEMS. Thank you for your attention, and hope to see you soon.